Hi, today we're going to be working with the FreeScan combo, a metrology-grade handheld scanner by Shining 3D, offering two light sources, infrared Becel and blue laser. The FreeScan combo is adept at acquiring high-resolution scans with 0.02 millimeters accuracy, and frankly, it's one of the best scanners I've ever used. We'll be taking an in-depth look at blue laser scanning and looking at the three different modes of operation that we have available to us when scanning in blue laser mode. So, single line scanning for getting deep hole data, 7 parallel lines for acquiring fine detail, and 13 pairs of diagonally crossed lines for acquiring a whole lot of data all at once.
We'll be scanning this engine block. I flipped my black cloth over so that the markers are facing down. We'll be relying on the markers from the object itself for the scan. Once I've opened up the software, I'm immediately presented with an opportunity to create a global marker file. I'm going to bypass that. For an object of this size, it isn't necessary. So I'll switch over to Scan Mesh, and I'll start with 26-line multi-line global scanning. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to switch over to single line scanning, which will allow me to collect deep hole data. And since there are quite a few robust cavities in this engine block, see if we're able to dig deep and pick up the details from within. And the laser that's emitted from the FreeScan combo is eye-friendly, so I can actually watch what I'm doing on the object itself. And the blue line that appears does give a really good indicator as to whether or not the scanner is picking up data. I'll look at my screen here because I can't see what I'm doing. Just about ready to flip the object, but I can see on the screen, because I have data quality indicator on, I can see that I'm actually picking up more data. as I go around the object. Blue, of course, is indicating that I've collected a sufficient amount of high-quality data. The yellow-green color means that the data is incomplete. So I want to get it as blue as possible, but I will be doing multiple passes. All right, we will stop there. Okay, let's take a look at what we were able to collect. All in all, it did a really good job. I'm going to create a cutting plane that I will later delete. So what I'm going to do is turn the engine block up like this. When I start scanning again, I'm going to start on an area that I've already scanned. So I'll probably start right here so that it can track the markers that it's already scanned and then match the markers that it's tracking with the markers that are on areas where it hasn't yet scanned. That will be how we will approach this. Hit the start button. From here, I will switch over to single line. We'll stop there. See what it looks like in here. All right, very cool. Create my plane, comma, let apply. I think from here we probably only need to do one more pass. We already got all of this. Just need to scan this part and let's start. We'll go ahead and pause because now we're going to perform partial HD scanning. This, however, you cannot do on the fly. You have to pause your scan, switch over to partial HD scanning, select the area that you want to scan, and then you can start. Before we do that though, let's go ahead and clean up this object. So we'll switch over to partial HD scanning right now. Okay, so you can see that it gives a decent representation of what we have here. And we'll just select this area here, like that, and now I'll hit confirm, and that area that I just selected will be deleted. So now let's start. Sometimes it can be a little bit difficult finding the angle that you need to be at so that the scanner will read the data. I've noticed that that's only with the 7-line fine detail scanning though. With the other two modes, it's almost like it just immediately picks everything up. With this mode, you do have to, it's a little bit more finicky. Even though we're in partial HD scanning mode, you can also switch over to 26-line multi-line global scanning. So let's hit pause. The 5 and the 6 are a lot more clear. So here we have normal scanning, and here we have fine detail scanning. So there we have it, our completed engine block scan using just one project group, and it looks amazing.
So that's our live demonstration of blue laser scanning with the FreeScan combo. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, please subscribe. If you have any questions at all, feel free to write us at info@umax.com. And also please feel free to take a look at our website, umax.com, where we have a wide array of scanners available. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.